You know, step by step on what to do.
Okay.
Well, the first step is you always check the chlorine, which there's not going to be any chlorine in it right now.
Yeah.
But,
well, there is because we have a chlorine problem in this neighborhood.
I'll go ahead and test it then and see.
Yeah, sometimes my bathtub smells like chlorine.
Yeah.
We'll fill it up to the first line there. I remember somebody saying that.
In Bridgeton, we do have chlorine.
Yeah, and we had one. She also said it was cost her tons of money to fill her pool up because she said she has to pay 2 water bills, and I'm like, I don't know about that.
No.
Well, somebody said the sewer. Tell them that it's not sewer. Bring your water bill down because you're not using it as sewer. You filled your pool. It's not going out to the sewer.
Yeah.
Because apparently they get you on both of them, coming in and going out.
All right.
But I was pretty shocked that it's not that green.
Yeah, I mean, the water's pretty good out here. So first thing is we'll add 5 drops of solution 1, the yellow one, into the small tube. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there is chlorine in the water.
I told you.
Yeah, quite a bit. Wow.
Told you.
Maybe that's why it's not that bad.
Yeah, they've said
Wow.
there's high levels of chlorine in our
There
water.
is high levels of chlorine. I mean, you might not even ever have to add chlorine tabs. Okay. So.
That's funny. I told you.
Yeah, it's about at 1.
And what's ideal?
1 to 3.
Okay.
We're kind of where you want it, which is that's good. So now, based off the chlorine test, we'll do the acid demand test. We'll fill it up to the line here, the acid demand line, and we have to neutralize the chlorine now. So if it's if your chlorine level is below 1.5, we'll add 1 drop. If it's above 1.5, we'll add 2 drops.
Okay.
So ours is below. Well, I keep looking at it. Man, it's actually.
It's high.
It's high, yeah. Wow. That's impressive.
So I haven't put chlorine yet.
Yeah. We'll add 2 drops to neutralize it. 1, 2.
That's the green solution.
The green one, yep. And next, you'll add 5 drops of solution 2.
Okay.
And this is the acid demand test, the pH test. So this one will always be 5. This one will always be 5. This one will be 1 or 2. This one will always be 1 drop. That'll be the next test I'll show you. So we'll add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll shake it up, and that'll give us our pH. Our pH is high. It always is.
Yeah.
Especially all the plaster dust and stuff. So, based on that, now we'll have to do the acid demand test. We will add 1 drop of this at a time. Shake it up until this changes to our ideal range, which is 7.2 to 7.6. So more of an orange.
Okay. And that'll tell you how much acid you gotta throw in.
That'll tell me, yep, how much acid we need to put in the pool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh,
Start over.
Oh man, I felt like it was about to change too. Man.
Start over. It's all good.
1, 2. Yeah, once you get the hang of the chemicals, though, I mean, it's pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And how many should I do this every morning, every week?
Once a week. We recommend getting your water tested. Okay, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4. That was, okay, 5. Yeah, it was one drop away, so 5. So now we go to our chart here. Your pool.
38,000 gallons.
38,000. Okay.
With the spa.
Perfect. I was going to look that up.
37.9 is what it is.
Yeah. So we go into a chart here, and it was 5 drops. So this chart has all your gallons on this side, how big your pool is, and this is how many drops it took to lower it down to your ideal level.
Gotcha.
So we'll go to 35,000, 4.5 quarts. Then we'll do another 2,000, so another 8
Ounces.
8 ounces.
Okay.
So pretty much 5 quarts.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's right there.
Yeah, of acid. And we'll keep. We won't put the acid in right now. We'll wait because we got to do the alkalinity test next. You always adjust alkalinity first. And the alkalinity, I expect it to be around pretty high. In this neighborhood, it's usually really high. So ideally, you want your alkalinity to be between 90 and 110 parts per million.
Okay.
Out here, it's usually about 300 parts per million.
Gotcha.
So, and on the alkalinity test, same thing. We neutralize it. 2 drops because our chlorine level is above 1.5. 2. Then we'll add 1 drop of solution 5, the blue one. Always 1 with the blue. We'll shake it up. And now we will add 1 drop at a time until this changes to yellow.
Okay.
So then we'll keep that number and we'll multiply how many drops it is, we multiply it by 10. That'll give us our parts per million for the alkalinity. So usually it's about 30 drops out here when I first do startups, yeah. And it's supposed to be about 9 to 12 drops.
Gotcha.
1, 2, we'll go 2 at a time. 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn it that way. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's perfect, actually. Wow.
Really?
Yeah. I know it's weird because like pulls over in that section over there.
Yeah.
30 drops always. Almost every single pull I had.
Really?
Yeah. And their chlorine is nothing like that.
That's good.
So I don't know.
That's good.
If it's 2 different systems, water systems, or what, but
Yeah, we have it. So the pump station is right there behind those trees that we use.
okay.
So maybe we're so close we're
Well,
getting
the
high
crazy thing
chlorine
is,
content.
right down the street, the Hoopers,
Yeah.
their water was 30 drops.
Maybe they've gotten it better, or I don't know if that's better or worse.
You don't have that much chlorine in your
Yeah,
drinking
no,
water.
they didn't have that much chlorine in there either. So that's good. So it was at 120, which is almost perfect. So we'll go ahead and adjust the alkalinity now. I thought I was gonna have to add 4 or 5 gallons of acid in here. We're gonna add 5 quarts.
That's it?
So yeah, I might go ahead and just put just 1 whole gallon in here, just to help clear up the plaster a little bit. Yeah, so that acid actually kind of eats away at the plaster dust as well.
Gotcha.
So I'll put 1 whole gallon in there, and that'll be good.
And this is plaster dust, right? The fading and the different colors we're seeing, it's not going to be like that.
No. That's plaster just kind of sitting there. So we need to brush. I mean, they recommend it brushing 2 times a day
That's what I told her. We'll be brushing a lot right
for the
now.
first week, once a day after that for the next 2 weeks.
Okay.
So, but the more you brush, the better off the plaster's going to be.
Okay.
That's what I've read.
And so that's
brush,
what I also
brush.
heard is don't get in because the plaster's still curing.
It's still curing, but you can get in. I mean, it's not going to affect it.
Okay.
It's mainly heating the pool. We can't
we
heat
won't
the
do
pool. Putting the cleaner in, but you guys have an inflow cleaner, so that doesn't really matter.
I got the other cleaner too, the one that runs around, the robot.
Okay.
So he's going to give me that, but we won't do that for a
Yeah,
couple
we
weeks.
gotta
or
wait.
something.
Yeah, we gotta
Just
wait.
don't even bring it to me until you get back from your vacation.
That'll work. Yeah.
I'd rather not do it then.